How to delete a member on Life360 account. So if you want to delete a member on Life360 account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Life360 application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now after opening, what you need to do is just simply go with settings, which is on the bottom right. So you just need to simply tap on settings, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on settings, you'll have this kind of interface. The settings might be on the upper left also. So tap on the gear shaped icon. Now here you will have an option of circle management. Tap on circle management, and here you will have all of the members that are in your Life360 account or in your circle. If you want to delete a member, then you just need to simply select the member that you would like to delete. So you will have an option of delete circle members under these options. So in my case, I don't have any members in my circle for now, but if you have any members in your circle, then you will have an option of delete circle member right here, and you can just simply tap on delete circle members and then select the member that you would like to delete and tap on delete, which will be in the top right, and the person will be removed or deleted as a member on your account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.